Hey guys, it's Dimo from DimusTech, and today it's not exactly a tech product. This time it's more of a geek product, I would say. And that's a scratch map. Now this map is pretty huge, and it's called Deluxe Edition. I have no idea why, but yeah, it's big. So I did open it once just to see. Now basically, what is that thing? So I saw that on the internet and it's really cool. Basically it will help you to plan your next vacation. Well, it might help you. Now, what's going on here? You get a regular world map and basically you need to scratch those countries that you went to. Now, I've been to some countries and there are obviously many countries that I haven't been to. So it's pretty cool for me, and there are some other things to do with this map, but not really sure what we can do, so let's check this out. So it comes with such a pretty good, I would say, protection, and well, it came pretty much okay. There were some people that were telling that it didn't go that well for them, but for me it seems okay. So it's not that easy to actually get it out. Once you grab it, you pretty much should be okay. Now, since this is a big map, I'll probably have some trouble to actually unwrapping it. Oh, it's that direction. And I'm not really sure if the camera will see it all. So I might cut this since I'll need to put something to actually hold it, since as you can see it will hold back, but we'll see now. So let's see. So there's another sort of nylon here for protection. Let's move that away and we shall try to somehow hold it. There, maybe. Yep. Okay. And now okay, that should be good enough. So this is the map, and yeah, sorry for the mess, but that's how it is. I'm not going obviously to scratch now almost anything, right? I mean, it will take too much time. I'll just scratch my home country, which is Israel, and that's it for now. So in order to scratch the map, I'm going to use this tool. One of the old tools by Keysmart that I showed you in the past. Let's move the camera a little bit closer so you can see what's going on. So now that we are closer, as you can see, I zoomed into Israel, since this is the country that I live in. So let's try and scratch that one. Now, I'm not that careful probably, but let's see. I'm probably scratching too much, but that's fine. So, as you can see, we scratched Israel, and that's where I live, so that country is obviously supposed to be scratched. And pretty much I can go on and actually continue scratching other countries as well, but I want to see something else on this map. So this map has other things like this in the bottom, and here you can see largest lakes. Now, sorry for the movement of the camera, but that's the only way that I can move it. And then you have this. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. This is the deepest water. I believe that the Dead Sea should be there, but it's not. Okay, let's continue. I'm pretty sure the Dead Sea should be somewhere as well. Lowest land, and the Dead Sea is actually the lowest land. And yeah, I can mark that. Next we have this. This is the 7 summits. Not really sure what is the 7 summits, but we have that. And I think that, well, basically I have been to the United States, but only to some parts of it. When we have something that looks like coins, let's see, oh, here it is. Earth's surface. What? Let's try to zoom in a little bit. Percentage water landmass. I don't understand what's going on here. Oh, so those are the islands. Oh, now I get it. So you can pretty much mark the islands that you've been to. So that's kind of cool, if I understood that correctly. And then the last one, I think. Oh, that's the legend? Oh, okay, so we have here the legend, basically of all the map here, with some metrics and some other stuff. And that's pretty much it. So let's zoom out for a moment. Now, as you can see, it's a giant map. And I actually didn't think it through. I have nowhere actually to end it on. I don't think I will. And basically the reason that I ordered the big one, and there are smaller ones, which I think you might probably want to get more than that, was actually because Israel is a small country. And I wasn't sure that on a smaller map I will be able to actually scratch that small thing here. Actually, I can scratch Cyprus here nearby because I've been to Cyprus quite a few times, mostly for work, and yeah. So that's kind of a nice map, and I basically will start scratching, and we'll see what we'll get. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.